Hey, good morning. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. This is, of course, our dyno room. You'll see us in here normally 2-3 times a day on occasion when we're busy, but today we have a 383 Windsor Ford engine package on the dyno. This package was developed actually to put in trucks, Broncos and so forth. So it's available, of course, with the Bronco oil pan. This particular engine that we built here today is actually going in a 67 Mustang. So it's a very versatile engine. It's got an excellent flat torque and horsepower curve, and we designed it that way. It's available, of course, with a front sump oil pan, dual sump pan, rear sump pan, just going in a Bronco. But it's a really nice package featuring, this happens to have a cast steel crank, forged I-beam rods, forged pistons, of course, brand new melon oil pump and pickup, brand new auto block heads. We do our own goodies with springs and 7/16 studs and stainless rockers and fully rollerized rocker arms on here. No junk rockers with roller tips. I mean, the real deal. Your choice of valve covers, of course, always. This customer opted for a beautiful March pulley system. The base engine, of course, doesn't include any of that stuff. That is a price upgrade. But we could package something together for you. MSD Built Distributor, your choice of color on the spark plug wires. Of course, always you can have your choice of colors on the paint job on the block, including custom paint. If you have a paint code or a paint color that you want, send it to us and Doug will spray it up for you. He does a beautiful job, and it's definitely worth the price. Poly carburetor is on this package, 750 size with electric choke, so it's user friendly. You'll have a nice fast idle when you start it up in the morning. Performer Army RPM intake, which of course gives it the nice flat torque curve. And like I said, these things are available with a lot of options. Check us out on the website, customcreators.com/Proformance Unlimited. You want to talk to Steve directly, give him a call, 800-267-3940. This is a 440 horsepower package that typically makes 25 or 30 more horsepower and a lot of torque. So if you're looking for something like that, check us out. Fords, Chevys, Chryslers, Pontiacs, Oldsmobiles, any domestic V8 engine from the 60s all the way up to our beautiful LS series. We've got awesome LS engines, Chevrolet LS engines for any kind of use, whether it be off-road, street, even some marine applications. Check us out. Give us a call. We'd love to design an engine for you. Everybody have a good day out there.
David, here we go, baby. Very nice, sweet engine. Very nice. Wow, nice. About 480, 490, nice. And just under 5. It's a real sweet street motor, I'll tell you that.